Hello everyone. I've got here is a nostalgia mini sandwich maker. I got it from Walmart for $5 on clearance. And this thing is supposed to able to make French toast and crispy pressed cinnamon rolls, pizza stuffed sandwich, and paninis, cheesy quesadilla, and crispy tortillas, and omelette and more. Omelets and more. And seals and toast your sandwich or panini to crispy perfection. Grilled meats, cheese, French toast, omelets, and more. Compact for portion control and easy storage in the dorm room, small kitchen, campers, and more. Non-stick cleaning surface. Let's open this up. Not bad for a $5 gadget. Anyway, I'm just gonna make a grilled cheese sandwich out of this thing. Or maybe I could do fancy. Maybe, I don't know. So what's inside is this empty box. Your review registration your products. So you can actually register this. So that's the registration. And a nostalgia party. Instruction manuals. Wow, this is more stuff than those expensive items that I've been buying. It's like little manual. This one actually has a big manual. And here's the actual mini sandwich maker. Here it is. So I have bread and I have cheese. So just make a simple grilled cheese sandwich. I don't think this thing comes off. No, because it's screwed in. So I'm just gonna wrench this a little bit before I'll probably just wipe it down and start cooking something on it. Alright, wipe it with wet paper towel, then dry it up with a dry paper towel. And I already plugged it in and it already sets to preheat, so it's already getting hot. Let's close that. It's preheat right now. Actually reading the manual and I can smell it burning. So I'm gonna make a grilled cheese sandwich. So the light turn off and it's really hot in there now. Make some grilled cheese. Open this up. Put the bread. Put the cheese. And put the bread. Let's see. It's supposed to be this or the other. I don't think it matters. Just close it. Squeeze it. And lock. How does it know if it's cooking? The light's not on. Oh, the light turned on. Oh, I was supposed to spray the thing with a non-stick spray or like coat of oil, which I didn't do. Oh well, too late. I thought the thing was a non-stick thing already. Oh well. So let's wait for the light to turn off. It says to spray with a non-stick, but I didn't. Oh well. Let's see what happens. How long does it cook? I'm not gonna stop the video. We're just gonna watch it get ready. That way you know exactly what time it cooks. And I guess that's ready. Let's see. And oh wow, it's cool. Very good, very good. And it didn't stick even though I didn't spray it. Alright, so I don't have tacos, so I'm not gonna make it. So, and maybe I'll make some French toast but not on this video. Anyway, this is the Nostalgia Mini Sandwich Maker. I got it from Walmart for $5. I think it's worth it. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.